How to fix correct password but cannot log in on your Instagram on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can fix the correct password which you enter but you still cannot log in on your Instagram account type of error. So how to fix that error? So if you have been thinking about like this, if your password is correct but it says your password is incorrect and you cannot log in for some reason, what you can do is the first thing you can do is simply head over to your settings and search in for the password manager option. And once you click on the password manager option, you just have to wait for some time, and from here you can see all the your passwords on the sites or applications until now, and just click on your option. Let's say I want to see my password of my Instagram, and simply click on the password from here, and you can just see your password from over here and just copy as well, like this. Copy from here, and once you copy you can simply paste it back to your Instagram account like this. And once you do that, you should be able to log into your account. And if you are still facing problem, then what you can do is simply click on the forgotten password option, and you will have to enter either your email address which you used for to register onto that account, or your mobile number like this, and you will get receive the OTP. And after that you will be receiving the option to create your new password, and from there you can successfully log in to your account by creating your new password. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.